Hey guys, Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm so glad that you have arrived and decided to kick it with me. This is a place where I do my hair and just basically pull myself together, alright? Now, if you are already a part of the family, come on, let's go ahead and get into this. Today I'm going to show you guys how to jazz up just some traditional cornrows by changing, some part lines, the size of the braids. If you want to see how I did it, be sure to stay tuned. Alright y'all, I'm back starting off on freshly washed, deep conditioned, and detangled hair. You see me here just taking my hair loose, getting it prepared to style. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I had absolutely no idea what I wanted to do with my hair on this day, okay? But I figured something out and decided to go ahead and do this little part here so we can prepare to do some cornrows. That's what I settled on, some cornrows today, okay? So I went ahead and got my part together so I can begin to add my favorite styling products. And of course, before I added my styling products, I decided to go ahead and get my hair out the way. We can't be doing our hair when it's all tangled up, so make sure get your sections together before you start styling, okay? Have all your sections good and ready before you get down to the braiding, all right? So you see me here just adding some more clips just to make sure everything is sectioned appropriately. Went in with a little bit of water just to dampen the hair and detangle before I got started. Now I followed up with my favorite, my Curl Activator Creme, okay? Now all the products that I use in my hair are gonna be down in the description box below. So if you wanna know what I use specifically, go ahead and check it out. Followed up with some olive oil just to seal in all that good old moisture that I added. Okay, went in, detangled a little bit more. Then I went in with my favorite, styling foam. Y'all already knew. Y'all already knew what combination I was using today, okay? Then I went ahead and decided to cornrow my hair straight down. I went ahead and sped it up so we can get to the good part of this style, okay? So I just went ahead and cornrowed it all down, made sure that the hair didn't get too tangled while I was braiding. And then boom, we got the cornrow right where I want it, okay? Now because I'm doing something a little jazzy, all right? What I consider jazzy, okay? I'm doing something that I consider jazzy. I went ahead and detangled the ends and I went ahead and added a clip because we're gonna do a little something different, okay? So I went ahead and did another part, but as you can see, I'm making the part a lot smaller, okay? Because I wanted some cornrows, but I wanted to make it a little different. I wanted different size braids, okay? So I made like a nice small part. You can see me here, boom, sped through that, and made a nice little small braid right beside it, okay? So now, as you see with the first cornrow, I gotta merge the two, okay? I gotta merge these two cornrows together, okay? I gotta merge that big one with that small one. So you see me here going ahead and braiding it all the way down, that small one all the way down to the, the nape of my neck. And then you see me here taking the larger cornrow and just merging them together. And I zoomed in a little bit so you can kind of see like how I did it, and hopefully it helps, this zoomed in view helps you see like, okay, I see what she did there. And then after I got the braids all merged together, okay, I went ahead and braided that joker straight on down. Be sure to detangle it though, because the ends of your cornrows is like the star of the show, okay? And then I went ahead with just a straight part right down the middle, braided that joker up, nothing too fancy there. That was just a regular cornrow, but you can see it, right? So now you see my little size change, big, small, big. Then I went to the front of my hair, okay? Now I wanted a little magic. I wanted to jazz up the part line a little bit, braided that joker up, okay? Went in right beside it, did a nice small cornrow. And I went ahead and braided that joker down. Now, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be abreast of when I drop a new video, okay? Boom. Just like the last time, I gotta merge the big one and the little one together, okay? So you see me doing it here. And be sure when you cornrow your hair, take your time. Don't rush, okay? Take your time. Make sure the hairs go where you want them to go. Make sure everything look as good as you want it to look. And just enjoy the time that you are, you know, putting into self-care and making yourself look more beautiful, okay? So as you see me here, I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it all the way straight down and have a nice complete cornrow. Alright, boom. I just did a part straight back, nothing too fancy. Went ahead and cornrowed that joker straight down. And you can see how that cornrow is turning out right there. And like I said, just take your time, right? I wasn't even in a rush. The braids did what I wanted them to do. And my hair was turning out, you know, kind of like I liked it, okay? And like I said, I was just totally like making this up as I went along. Like I said, I sat down and had no idea what I wanted to do with my hair. And a lot of times when I do my hair, I literally sit down with like no plan. Like, okay, that's what I'm doing today. Whatever my hands decide to do, that's what we do to my hair. And I just took my time and enjoyed the experience. And so I had one more section left, and so I didn't do anything fancy with that section either. I just went ahead and cornrowed that joker straight back too. And as you can see with the larger braids, as I'm braiding, I'm always mindful just to use my hands to make sure I keep it detangled. And like, take your time, because your hair can get tangled and you don't want to rip through your hair. And I just went ahead and cornrow that joker straight on down. And like, y'all, this is like the makings of a good style. Like, for me to just, you know, come up with this on the fly, I think I did a good job. All right, go ahead and check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Go ahead. Y'all see that? And them braids are neat. You can't tell me them braids don't look good. Y'all, I love some good old cornrows. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, cornrows can just set you up. I mean, they just go with anything. Like, how could you not? How could you not? Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my rendition of the traditional cornrow with a little change in braid size. Now, if you did, don't forget to like this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Hopefully I gave you some hair inspiration, you know, be able to jazz up just regular cornrows. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.